Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. In today's lesson, we will talk about design patterns. So, what is design pattern? Design pattern is like a tried and tested recipe for solving problem that software developers often face. It's like having a handy guidebook with solution to common issues in building software. These patterns are based on the collective wisdom of experienced developers and offer step-by-step instruction for tackling specific problem in software design. By following these patterns, developer can create software more efficiently, making it easier to reuse, maintain, and grow over time. So, design pattern has are typically sorted into three primary groups. The first pattern is creational pattern. The creational patterns deals with object creation mechanism, trying to create object in a manner suitable to the situation. They provide way to instantiate single object or group of related objects. So it has couple of patterns like singleton design pattern, prototype design pattern, abstract factory method, and builder. So next pattern is structural pattern. Structural pattern deals with object composition or structure, focusing on how classes and objects can be composed to form larger structure. They describe how objects and classes can be combined to form large structure. So in structural patterns, we have a bridge, adapter, proxy, composed, and decorator. And the last one is the behavioral pattern. So in this pattern, this focus on the interaction between objects, encapsulating how objects distribute responsibilities among them and how they communicate with each other. So it has visitor, observer, command, strategy, and iterator. So in today's lesson, we have understand now the design pattern, but maybe in the later session we'll come up with specifically each design pattern like single time in creation method. We'll start with the creation method, and then we'll have the singleton, abstract factory, builder. We'll talk about all these design pattern one by one with a real time example in C sharp. So we'll definitely do some code on C sharp for give you an example how we can implement these pattern design patterns. For now, this will end to our video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you and bye.